Okay, sorry about that. We had a phone die, but I was just comparing size of these. They look good. This cellophane strip is gone, but this is OC, that no quit tar on. There's a telltale sign that's a OC shingle. We're gonna slide this guy in. Fit looks good. We'll just let you take a quick look at that. Obviously the color's off. We definitely wouldn't recommend it, but for the sake of the repair test, we're gonna go ahead and put this guy in here. This is the street side of the house. Doing a repair like this with a shingle that's way off in color could definitely affect the curb appeal of the house, diminish it in value if these folks decided to ever sell the property. So I would definitely not recommend this. Okay, we're gonna get this guy back in. Oops. Got a couple extras in there. Feeling we're going to want to look at the deck on this. You can see even right here, like these previous nail holes, there was some tearing going on when I was removing the previous nails. Like this shingle's compromised. Even if I nailed it like 2 times on the outside of that matting's compromised in there, and that really compromises its resistance to wind. Same here, you can see where the matting's starting to crack right there, and these shingles are definitely towards the end of their life. Be pretty tough to make an adequate repair to them. We can see we're already starting to get some creasing in these. Take my brush here just for a just to kind of see what effects it's having on granule retention. Obviously you can see the creasing here. and beginning here. We have a crease that has begun there. Same here, there's creasing beginning there. Might be tough to pick up in the sun there, but these are definitely not in a repairable form. If you want to get close on those. I do have my little blower here. You can see all the new granules, especially on this darker shingle, starting to come off. It's pretty obvious. I'm just barely hitting this blower. If we come back over here, take a look at our control. Very minor compared to what we were having over here. There's obviously a lot of granules coming off. Oops, sorry. So we're going to say that this is non-repairable. I'm probably going to go ahead and throw a tarp over this. We're supposed to have some pretty big winds tonight and tomorrow, and rain in the forecast. Just highlight some of those crease areas there. If you got any other questions, please let us know. Thanks. Okay, so something I just wanted to point out really quick. If you just watched that repair video, you probably noticed that I had a little bit of difficulty nailing. And right here we had an area we previously tarped. I kind of suspected it when I was nailing those shingles in. I even had one when I was nailing this far left. You can see that it just like goes almost like it falls through, like I hit nothing. We come over and pull the tarp up, and that we find plank decking, that gap right there, that is not code. That's a textbook example of why you have to have a solidly sheathed deck. Like that, those nails I was hitting right in here. Some of them I was catching the edge of that, causing that nail to roll over, and then one I hit square in the middle of it. And so you can see, if you look, can you get all that in the same? Yep. That nail line, look at where that falls. That's a textbook example of why plank decking is no good and why you have to have a solidly sheathed deck when it comes to asphalt shingles. There's no repair option on this for us. We definitely have to get this deck correct, so and get it up to code. So if you have any questions about this, please let me know. 602-618-8317. Thank you.